Hey, good day, rock stars. Michelle Vaughn here. I am the founder of Beyond Fitness, and I help busy people who have yo-yo dieted to finally achieve the body of their dreams and to live the life they deserve. I have a new discovery for you that I want to share. Does anybody have wrist issues? Have a hard time in plank, in yoga, in Pilates, downward facing dog? Do you work on the computer all day and have problems in this joint? Well, guess what? G-Love makes these gloves that have a very nice gel padding in the glove. So not only does it cushion you, but it tilts your wrist on an angle to take all the pressure off that joint. It's unbelievable. So as you know, I teach 12 classes a week, and I'm not 29 anymore, and I have lots and lots of wrist issues. So when these gloves came and I put them on for the first time, I thought I had discovered heaven on earth, because it takes all the pressure off of the wrist. Don't run to the computer. Don't walk to the computer, run to the computer and purchase these gloves if you have wrist issues. I'm telling you, it's going to be like night and day. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not making money on it. I just want to make your workouts pain-free. Until the next episode, have a great day.